Are you looking for the best ergonomic laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Laptop Stand Adjustable Aluminium. This stand for laptops and tablets provides 7 levels of height adjustment, allowing you to adjust to a comfortable operating angle and height according to actual needs. Ergonomic design, easy to watch and type, lighten neck and shoulders pain in the part and spine. Creative portable foldable design, laptop stand can be folded to about 9.4 by 1.77 inches, easy to carry. The stand can increase the height of the laptop, so its clever design provides an open space for ventilation, which can prevent the laptop from overheating during use. The triangular support structure is made of durable aluminium alloy material, which can stably support the laptop. There is a non-slip silicone pad at the bottom to increase the grip. Number 2. MC928 Laptop Stand. This computer stand is designed with adjustable in height and angle, so you can raise your laptop screen to a more ergonomic viewing height, which is better for maintaining a healthy posture. You can adjust the height freely up and down, and adjust it anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees to suit your workflow. This laptop desk stand can rotate on its centered round base, allowing the top half of the stand to rotate infinitely in either direction. This gives you plenty of flexibility in terms of working position. It will be especially useful for group projects or meetings. There are rectangle-shaped cutouts at the top of laptop platform. These cutouts are designed to provide improved airflow to keep your notebook from overheating. The laptop riser are also well padded, with additional rubber bumpers around the outside of the laptop platform. The laptop raised stand supports all devices from 10-17 inches, including from the likes of MacBook Pro, Air, Dell, Asus and Lenovo, made with premium aluminium alloy which make it more stable and sturdy to support up to 22 pounds. 10 kilograms. Laptop stand is perfect for the cluttered kitchen counter, table or small desk with its foldable design that also swivels to give everyone around the table easy access the laptop's screen. This stand is also a great choice if you're using a second external monitor. Keeping both screen at the same height can cut down on eye strain, for more comfortable working conditions. Number 3. LS652 Laptop Stand. The two axes of the laptop stand are connected to the base, which can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to see the front of the device from any angle. Perfect for people who need to view multiple screens at the same time. You can tilt the stand to different angles and stand it higher or lower depending on your needs, allowing you to work in a comfortable position, which saves you from back and neck pains. Foldable design allows it to take up less space. The entire body of the holder is made of high-quality aluminium alloy, thus making the stand more durable and portable. The rubber pad on the top surface protects the laptop from sliding and scratching, and the rubber pad on the bottom surface prevents the stand from moving. This stand for desk is well compatible with all laptops from 10 to 16 inch, such as MacBook Pro, Air, Microsoft Surface, Google Pixelbook, Dell XPS, HP, Chromebook, iPad Air, Pro, Surface Pro, etc. Number 4. UGREEN Laptop Stand. Featuring a 360 degrees rotatable axis on the base, UGREEN Laptop Stand for desk allows you to swivel your laptop to any side more flexibly. It enables you to share your PC screen to your partners in the meeting, more convenient and practical for office and home. This laptop stand holder could be easily adjusted to your preferred viewing angle. It effectively eases your neck pain by elevating your laptop to your eye level to fix your posture. You can choose different angles and rise it up higher or lower to meet your needs. This laptop desk stand is made of premium aluminium alloy. With the thickened base and enhanced arm, this sturdy computer stand supports up to 11 pounds and holds your notebook more securely. No worry about tipping over. Number 5. SeenDa Laptop Stand. The laptop stand is made of thick and strong aluminium alloy, which can maintain good stability without shaking, and is very suitable for office use. The rubber strip on the notebook computer stand can greatly reduce the collision with it, protect it, and prevent the laptop from slipping. Design adapted to the human body, our notebook stand increases the height of the notebook computer by 6 inches, which solves the problem of neck and shoulder pain caused by overlooking the computer for a long time when you work and entertain. Speed up computer cooling. The space at the bottom of the bracket can bring benefits to the heat dissipation of the notebook. You can put some small items, keyboard, mouse, pen, etc. Comes with 30 days no questions asked return policy, 1-year manufacturer's warranty and our lifetime friendly customer service.